everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the October bath box. Now I received this as a gift from my boyfriend for my birthday. I've been eyeing up picking up a Your Bath box for the longest time and I dropped him lots of hints and here I am with my first ever box. So the box itself you can either pick up as a subscription for £9.99 a month plus £2.99 postage and packaging, or you can just pick up a one-time box for exactly the same price as and when you feel like it. Each month you'll be sent out a box with a theme for that month, and I'm thinking this month is probably like a spooky Halloween theme, and each box contains 5 items from things such as bath bombs, bath salts, bath fizzers and more, and everything is handmade in the UK and is all vegan and cruelty free. So without further ado, let's get this open and have a look at what gorgeous products we've got in here. So just opening the box up, first of all we've got a little leaflet and there is a little spoiler sheet of everything that's in here. What I'll do is I will pop their Instagram and their website in the description of this video, so if you're interested in checking them out then absolutely do so. So there's everything all beautifully wrapped up. I just think this looks absolutely gorgeous. We've got a little sticker here saying hello beautiful. What a lovely thing to greet you as you open up your box. Well, I have got my box opened up and everything looks so gorgeous, so I'm going to show you them one by one, have a little read on the card what everything is, and just give you my first impressions. So the first thing we've got here is this bag of bath salts. So I'm not going to open it up because it is nicely sealed up just at the moment, but this is pumpkin spiced bath salts. So this is like made for me because my favorite wintry drink is a pumpkin spice latte, so I bet these are going to smell absolutely gorgeous. And so it says here, sprinkle these mineral rich salts into a warm bath scented with our favourite hot drink, pumpkin spice. So looks like it was meant to be. We both have the same favourite drink, and these salts actually RRP for £3.50. So I think I forgot to mention that although the box is £9.99, the value of the products inside does well exceed that. So we're on to a good start with these bath salts. Now next up we have got this cute little pumpkin here. So let's have a look and see what's wrapped up inside of here. It smells lovely. Okay, so we have got this brain, and this is their brain artisan soap. So looking very realistic, even the kind of grey colour of a brain. And this is a moisture-rich, gruesome soap with a lovely lather and a fruity scent. And it does smell really fruity, really nice. And I think it's just a perfect size little soap, either I suppose to lather up on your body in the shower, or you could just have it as a little hand soap by the sink. And I just love that they've wrapped it up in this little pumpkin bag as well to keep it safe and sound. And just back to the little card, so this soap actually RRPs for £3. So we've covered more than half of our box just in the first 2 items. And this is the third item in here, so we'll get it out the packet in a second, but this is a foamy ghost and this RRPs for £4. So let's get him out and have a look. So that's what it looks like outside the packet, so you can probably see his ghoulish face in a bit more detail there. Smells really lovely. It's almost like quite a spiced fragrance, I think. And it says here, what's a ghost's favourite game? Hide and shriek. Don't hide this one. Place him on top of your bath for a foamy display. So I'm guessing this is going to be like a bit different to a bath bomb, and that it's not just going to fizz away. It's going to like all foam up and be like probably a bit spectacular in the bath. But I'm really am liking the fragrance of this and really interested to try out this in my bath. Okay, item number 4 is all nicely wrapped up again, and then it's got a nice little sticker on the back. So sit back, relax and enjoy, which I think is a really sweet touch. So I'll just get this one open. So this is what item 4 looks like, and this has got like some really nice glittery bits in it. Almost looks a bit like a stone. But this is a hex bomb, and this RRP's for £3, and it says here, bring your tub to a full rolling bubble and then add your hex bomb to create a relaxing Halloween bath potion scented with a hocus pocus scent. And this one smells kind of like a bit earthy again, but really lovely. I can imagine this is actually going to be really relaxing, like the actual fragrance of it. And I'm guessing it's going to go kind of like bluey, greeny in the bath. It feels pretty solid, so I don't know how quickly it's going to fizz away, or whether it's going to be like quite a nice slow burn that you can enjoy throughout your whole bath. But yeah, definitely interested to give this one a go as well. And then the last item, number 5, is this really hefty bath bomb here. So again, all nicely packaged up. There is actually the option, I think, to have them delivered plastic free, so everything will just be obviously floating around in your box, obviously not packaged up. So this is the purple pumpkin, and this RRP's for £4.50, and this, as I said, looks huge. Wow, yeah, so that is really cool. I love that it's got all these like flecks of blue in it as well, and it's got some nice sparkle on the top. The fragrance is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a blackberry fragrance. So for this one, it is scented with blackberry. I was right. This purple pumpkin is to die for. Throw it in your bath to summon a pretty purple colour. And blackberry is definitely one of my favourite fragrances of like bath products. If I could liken it to anything, probably a bit like the Comforter from Lush. Like, I really love that fragrance. So I definitely know for a fact I'm going to absolutely love using this bath bomb. So there was everything in my October Your Bath box. So I believe that each month they get shipped towards the end of the month, and somewhere throughout the month, I'm not sure if it's on the website, but definitely on the Instagram, they do kind of drop some hints as to what the theme for the next month will be. And if you missed it, there's just a little card there with all of the details about all of the products that were in the October box. And yeah, this is the first time I've ever got this box. I'm really excited to try everything out. I really love that just not everything is a bath bomb, which sometimes you get with other kind of similar bath products. I like that there's some salts, a foamer, a soap, a bit of everything, and loads of new and interesting things to try out. So if all goes well, I will definitely be picking this up again next month, and yeah, excited to see what the November box will bring. I will pop the website for Your Bath box and also their Instagram in the description if you did want to check it out. This video is not sponsored in any way. This is just me opening this box that I happened to get for my birthday from my boyfriend and just giving my first impressions and kind of reviews on everything. So if you have tried out this box before or any of their products, I'd really love to know. Just let me know in the comments below. So overall, I think for £9.99 that the box is really amazing value. I love as well that you can just buy a one-off box without having to sign up to a subscription. You know, you can just pick and choose which boxes you like each month, which I think is really fantastic. and I think a really great way to support a smaller business and to try out some fantastic handmade vegan bath products for yourself. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.